shoes. So I have these bad boys, these Nats. These are pretty old, so I've had them for a while, and I was walking outside and I realized I was just quick clock. These heels were just completely broken. So I took them to a cobbler. This cost me $18 in New York City. The prices here are really high. So got them fixed. These shoes are a little bit discolored, but honestly, to me, they look fine. At some point, I will have to get rid of them because the whole sole is peeling off. So someday it's gonna be inevitable that I do recycle these, but for now, they're just like perfect and they match the shirt so well. I'm gonna be rocking them all day long. Hope everyone has a great day.